That didn't really have the effect I wanted it to have, but kind of miss on a lot of things, but whatever. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. That's something people do for YouTube for some reason. I don't know why you do it for any channel or this channel, but hey, it's your life. Live it however you want. Hello, pals. There's gonna be a burp here soon. Hey, welcome to Beaterbox Friday. Let me try that sentence again. Hi, welcome to Beaterbox Friday. This box is from Supremacy because Supremacy boxes are the best on the market, and they're also impossible to get unless you have a membership, and memberships are closed. So, memberships are closed. That's the word I'm looking for. So, I just did that twice. I'm so bad at doing this stuff on camera. This box was $650 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $700 shipped. That's a counter. Its name is clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market. And then we're going to break down the entire box at the end and show you how much I paid versus how much the box is worth on said secondary market. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. This is smack dab right in the middle of the best price range of boxes that I've had experiences with. Next week's box is a 1K box, so I'm kind of worried about that one. But let's focus on this week's box, which is $700 shipped. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, don't knock my light over. Any loose pairs? I don't see any loose pairs. There's a lot of size 12 in here too, so size 12 heads, you're welcome. I don't know why I said you're welcome. Let's get this React Element 87 out of the way first. This is a size 12 in a pretty beat up box. I don't know why they drew a bunch of stuff on it. This is Volt Aurora Green Racer Pink. Nope, they're not. They're worn. But it doesn't get much louder than this. It said Volt and Racer Pink. Colors I really like. I just don't like a black midsole like this. I think it looks too heavy and just looks kind of goofy on foot. But this shoe in particular, very little outsole wear, a little bit of discoloration on the little pod thingies, very little nipple loss. It's a really nice shoe, and React is some of the most comfortable material on the market right now. So yeah, great running shoe from what I understand. A size 12 React Element 87. Woof. What is wrong with my mouth today? Nope.
That's what she said.
If you want to buy that shoe or any other shoes from this box, they'll be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can visit that website at sbmitch.com if you want. A lot of Jordan in here. Cool. Size 12 Jordan 13 Retro. Nice. These are lightly worn. These are in really great shape, actually. A little bit of insole wear. Got a pair of gray toes. This is the 2014 release of the Air Jordan 13 gray toe. Really, really nice colorway. A lot of the older pairs have some bleeding. This one's not too bad though. Just a little bit of discoloration from dirt on the little pod thingies. Apparently the Jordan 13 is inspired by a panther, so that's supposed to be paws, I guess. You can see some insole wear. I don't know if you can actually see it, but the outsole, this is in great shape. There's no drag, very little wear, very little dirt, just needs a quick solid cleanup. There's even the covering on the little hologram thing still. This is a really good get for a box in this range. So size 12 does really well on my website. I don't know why, but size 12, gray toe 13s. Got another size 12 Jordan, same era, same kind of box. It's a Jordan 9 Retro. Nice. This is a really awesome colorway in my opinion. Probably my favorite 9. This is the Baron colorway. This is one of the better, this is probably the best 9 to ever come out. It's just, all the Baron colorways have always been really good. The Jordan 1 Baron is one of the best colorways. This is just a really nice, muted, easy to match colorway of an Air Jordan 9. This pair in particular, again, not much wear on the bottoms, a little bit of discoloration. Jumpman and a size sticker still inside of there. I don't know if you're gonna see it, but this is a good one to get, and this is a great size too. I'm really thrilled with this box so far. Size 12, Jordan 9 Barons, very cool. Another size 12 in the same kind of box. It's a Jordan 11 Retro Low, size 12, nice. This is a really great colorway of this pair too. These are worn, but again, same kind of condition. Actually, these are probably in better condition than some of the other ones. This is the Infrared 23 11 Lows. You can see that's where the Infrared 23 part comes from, but this is it's a Jordan 11 low. You can see very little insole wear, full Jumpman. Outsole wear, just a little bit of discoloration from age. I think these are from like 2015, maybe something like that. These just need a solid cleanup and they'll be good to go. I mean, there's very little creasing on the patent on the toe box here, so this is a very, very good get. I mean, lows aren't really great to wear in the wintertime, but not everywhere sees snow in the wintertime, so. Size 12, great size. Infrared 23, 11 lows. A lot of numbers in there. Another size 12, Jordan 11 Retro Low. Let's see what's going on here. This is another 2014 release. This is the green snakeskin low. Great colorway. Again, same kind of condition. Full Jumpman inside of there. Most of the Jumpman. Outsole wear is pretty minimal. No heel drag. Just a little bit of discoloration and a little bit of dirt. This is a really nice colorway, actually. I'm not a huge fan of green or like animal-themed sneakers, but a lot of people seem to love this kind of stuff. So, size 12, another great size, Jordan 11 low, green snakeskin. Saving the face box for last. We do have two more. Another size 12, Jordan 11 Retro Low. So this is a worn pair as well. These have a little bit more wear than the rest of them, which I understand because it's a little bit of a more easier to match colorway if people are into that. This is the, some of these are called cherry bottoms. I don't really know the actual name for these. I call them cherry bottoms. I don't know if they're just called cherries in general. No Jumpman left in there, but this is a really nice shoe. It's mostly white with that signature red bottom. Not much toe box creasing. We're in pretty good shape. Outsole is in pretty decent shape too, just some stones and just needs a little quick cleanup, but the red doesn't really show oxidation, which is oxidization? Is that a word? I don't really know. Whatever, I'm not a wordsmith. But this is a really nice shoe. Got one more in here. It is another size 12, but the only difference, we got a face box. This is my favorite era of Jordans to open. I don't personally own any in my collection. I don't own any Jordans in my collection actually, but one of the better boxes to get. Size 12, Jordan 14 Retro. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is a decent one. I want to say these are chartreuse, right? Yeah, this is like, there were two colorways that were like chartreuse themed. This is the darker one of the two, I believe. A lot of people, it's kind of like a wolf grayish type colorway, but again, most of a Jumpman is still in there. The outsoles are in really, really great shape. Plus it's from that classic era of Jordan that a lot of people seem to love, which you cannot complain about. Nice metal aglets on here. Yeah, it's really, really nice colorway. I don't know why people either love or hate 14s. I think 14s are slick looking. There you go. That's your last shoe out. Jordan 14 Chartreuse. Size 12 Galore. This is a good box. That's a $700 Soul Supremacy Beater box. An all size 12 box. That's very rare. Let's check out the numbers and see what's going on in here in the breakdown. I'm thrilled with this box. I think this box is really good. I think these are going to be pretty easy to move, mainly because the size is pretty good, even though in terms of resale, it's not very good, but size 12 seems to move in this era of a Jordan for me really, really well. So let me know what you think in the comments if you want or don't, or just say hello and I'll say hi back. If you're interested in purchasing any of these shoes, they'll be cleaned up, disinfected, and on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.commercial. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great weekend. I'm going to try and get a recap video up this Monday, but we'll see what's going on. But yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Till next time, remember to take care of each other and keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.